Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Welcome to another video tour. Today I present to you a new construction, off-plan, a building of 2 blocks of flats in the Torraltinha area. We are 5 minutes to Porto de Mós, about 7 to 10 minutes to Meia Praia. City center is basically steps away, 4 minutes. You can see Lagos, Old Town and City Wall, you know, all the restaurants, wining and dining and stuff. Porto de Dona Ana, which is quite beautiful beach, literally, I don't know, 5-7 minutes away by car. Location wise, these two blocks that will be built here behind me, we have fence, we have first block already built. It will be called Domus 22 and 23. So block 22 or lot 22 is this one. It will be facing east, and then 23 is the one they already started, will be facing south. So the apartments will be well lit up. I will show you some footage of each floor from the drone so you can see the views and how in terms of orientation. So yeah, let's have a look. So project Domus, this will be the third project by this developer here in Torraltinha, and will follow the success of Santa Maria 1 and 2 that are built right here, right next door. So you expect the same quality or even better quality because times go forward and we have new technology. Some of the amenities would be solar panels. Each block will have underground parking for your privilege, 2 independent pools, jacuzzis, spas, gyms, all of that you can see description below. 2 blocks will be compiled of 65 apartments altogether. The smaller one will be T1+1 or T2 in that matter. There will be some T3s and duplexes. Of course, duplexes will have the best views, the best size, so it's only a few of them. Don't miss an opportunity. And to show you more or less how it's going to look, I'm going to roll you a clip of one of the Santa Maria 2 show apartments because they're going to use the same quality of material, more or less same color scheme. So enjoy the video. So in terms of completion, the builder promised us to see the end of this construction or completion of this construction by the end of 28, beginning of 29. So I would say beginning of 29, the first quarter, you will be able to actually move into this beautiful apartments that are behind me. So in terms of pricing and the payment scheme, the price lists are attached to the advertisement, so you can see the price list. The payment scheme is quite simple. You pay now up to 30% within the first 2 years of the construction, and then you pay the balance on the deed. So here's a bit, you can also negotiate some of it, so there's some sort of a comfort and the balance to how much you have to spend versus how much you have to spend now versus how much you have to spend at the end when you're actually buying the apartment. Let's talk a little bit about potential. Why would you buy off plan? Why it's all about. And in my point of view, most of the apartments that has been sold from this developer off plan, the clients always benefits in the very end. So right now it's early bird, it's 2025 end of it. The apartment's just been released. The price list is still original, so nothing has been altered. I'm sure if you're watching this video in 2028, you'll be like, oh damn, why didn't I buy it? Yeah, I told you. Normally how it works, after a certain amount of product is sold, the builder will raise the price, and then when he sells some more, raise the price again. So it's always nice to be first or early bird, so you can get decent discount, because by the time when in 2029, it will be 40-45% above what the price is right now. Rental potential, I would say the cheapest apartment and the smallest apartment will be 3,000 euros per month for the long term, and around 30 to 40,000 euros on logement local, which is a rental license. So yeah, it's a pretty lucrative deal if you're an early bird. I mean, if you're somewhere in the future and watching this video and try to buy one, it's still a good product because quality-wise, there's no comparison in Lagos. I personally like it and I recommend. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and don't miss this opportunity behind me. Apartments are amazing. Location is very nice. Sleeping area, very quiet. You know, I'll see you next one. Ciao.